Halo guys, para Dimas lovers yang budiman, dimanapun kalian berada. Ketemu lagi sama Mimin di channel kesayangan kita ini, yaitu Sarjana Gitar. Seperti biasa, Mimin akan selalu memberikan reaktor-reaktor terbaru, cantik, seksi, dan super kece untuk para Dimas lovers di luar sana. Dan seperti apa reaksi mereka? Mari kita saksikan. Makin, mari kita tonton.
Here we go. Pressing play.
Take your time typing, don't worry, there's no rush. We'll see, but I'll still be here.
I can see the pain living in your eyes, and I know how hard to try. You deserve to have so much more. I can see the pain living in your eyes, and I know how hard to try. You deserve to have so much more. I can feel your heart and I sympathize, and I'll never criticize all you ever meant to my life. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lead you on, I don't wanna hold you back from where you might belong. You would never ask me why my heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore.
Okay, so he's starting in full head voice. So men have head voices too, obviously. For those of you that know Dimas, you know this. But so head voice means he's fully flipped into using a different muscle set to bring his vocal folds together. And he's using full head voice, which means he's letting them come together all the way.
I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to say but goodbye. You deserve to change it, the kind of love I'm not sure I'm worthy of. Losing you is painful to me. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lead you on, I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lead you on, I don't wanna hold you back from where you might belong. You would never ask me why my heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to say but goodbye. You would never ask me why.
Portion vocally is meaning something that you would just sing to get your voice going, to warm up your voice, because it's so scalar motion, lots of ways to practice like precision.
You would never ask me why my heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore. You would never ask me why my heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie.
Yeah, so really impressive is the legato. So in Italian, legato means smooth and connected. It's a word that we use to describe singing a lot in the bel canto style. So we're always trying to sing connected and sing vowel to vowel, right?
I would rather myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to try. Oh, it's gonna hurt us both. There's no other way than to say goodbye. Oh, it's gonna hurt us both. There's no other way than to say goodbye. I would rather myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to try. Oh, it's gonna hurt us both. There's no other way than to say goodbye.
Я же сказала, что нет. Да, меня заперли в подсобке. И тут сижу уже третий день. Не ем, не пью.
Sorry, I'm like watching TV. Yeah, at the same time, I'm like, bring me my cookies.
And then the end, of course, very pure whistle. Very pure whistle. So in order to create that whistle tone, what he's doing is he's taking all of the overtones out of the pitch. So he's so there's no kind of weight or depth. It's just that pitch, and it's
Thanks for watching.